You missed XRP at 10 cents, and this is your next best opportunity to buy. All right, so let's take a real quick peek at what XRP is doing. So we actually see that, honestly, the market's held pretty steady over the last 24 hours and 2 days or so. So I'm a little bit surprised, guys. I thought things were going to be moving around a little bit more. They started to move a little bit down, but for the most part, everything's held pretty steady. I think XRP was at $1.52, but guys, it's holding steadier than I thought. I thought honestly it was going to be more volatile. I thought we are going to see more movement, and I still don't. I don't want to jinx myself. It could happen, but it really hasn't been happening. XRP's held pretty steady. Bitcoin's held pretty steady for the most part, and yeah. Okay, so let's get into this. So you missed XRP at 10 cents, most likely. I mean, that was a long time ago. You most likely missed it. That was, I don't even know, but years ago. And so this is your next best opportunity right here, right in front of you. Okay, so the guy in this article that's talking about this preaches how often people regret missing early entries, and they definitely do, because we all wish we were invested in XRP when it was 0.0000042 cents, whatever it was, some crazy low number. And many investors wish they had bought Bitcoin at $1,000, XRP at 10 cents, HBAR at 0.001 cents. So we all wish we bought at these times, guys, but we can't go back in time. So we have to look for the next best opportunity to make a buck. So he believes the market is presenting another major opportunity to scoop up low prices, but many are not seeing it. And I believe this. I've been preaching it. I've been preaching that the XRP at $1 when it was at $1.11. It's a great time to buy. It's a great time to buy XRP because XRP is a bright future. Crypto is a bright future. It's going to go above what it is right now. It's going to go to $5 to $10 a year, 2 years down the line. Obviously, you can't pinpoint the exact day, but basically in the future, it will be worth way more than it is right now. So I honestly look at XRP right now, and it's at $1.50. We could see it drop lower. Honestly, I think it's very realistic. I was preaching 50 cents a few weeks ago. I really don't think 50 cents will happen again. I don't think 80 cents really will happen, but we could see a drop lower, and you guys should see that as time to buy. Obviously, you have to do what's right for you, but it's a great time to buy before XRP skyrockets in the months and years coming. Okay, so this is your next best opportunity. Will you take it? He wrote. His comments come at a time when XRP is attempting to recover from one of its sharpest corrections in recent history. Okay, so he calls XRP's $1 range the next best opportunity for investors. XRP rebounded 38% from $1.11 after a sharp 70% correction from $3.66. So analysts eye $4.20 and $7 targets if XRP confirms support above $1.23. And dip buyers added XRP, betting fear could precede a major rally. So guys, when we're talking about when XRP is going to explode, we need a positive catalyst. We need something to move us forward. And right now we just don't have that. So that's why I've been preaching that the market, it has been volatile, but we could see it be very volatile because we really don't have anything pushing us forward. And we don't know when that's going to happen. I hope it happens very soon, but we really just don't have anything right now. And we're going to need something like that to push us forward. But once we get momentum, things will go crazy because things are starting to align with kind of the infrastructure and all the interest and kind of the finance and the banking world and the retail world involving XRP, especially, and involving crypto in general. So things are starting to align. And when things align, this will be the biggest positive catalyst we've ever seen in our lives. Crypto will go absolutely insane, and buying at $1.50, even if you're buying right now, will not seem so bad when XRP is at $7. Buying at $1.11 like it was. So earlier this month, XRP dropped to a local low near $1.11 following a market sell-off triggered by Bitcoin slide towards 60 grand. The market moved roughly a 70% decline from XRP's July 2025 high of $3.66. Now XRP is trading around the $1.35 range, which it actually isn't right now. But the sharp recovery has led some analysts to suggest that a bottom may already be forming. So we may not go much lower than we are right now, guys. But obviously, we can never tell. The market can be very volatile at times, and I believe this is a time where we could see anything. But now I'm starting to think we may not go as low as we thought we would go. So a potential base is forming between $1.23 and $1.30. According to his outlook, once XRP confirms this range of support, the price could accelerate towards $4.20. From there, he sees a bull market expansion targeting the $10 range. That's exactly what I'm thinking right now. So other veteran market watchers argue that the recent crash mirrors past XRP cycles where deep drawdowns were followed by strong multi-100% recoveries. Historical examples include drops from $3.30 to almost 11 cents and from $1.96 to 28 cents for major rallies to $3.60 level. Okay, so dip buyer step in. Despite widespread fear, several high-profile investors disclosed that they bought during the downturn, and I did, especially. I bought XRP, I bought Bitcoin, I bought XRP when it dropped to $1.11 just to be safe. But yeah, I think we can still continue to see it continue to drop, guys. Anything is possible, especially in the crypto market. We all should know that by now if we've been in it. But we could see it drop lower. We could see it not. Who really knows, guys? It's a hard time to kind of pinpoint everything. So to him, wealth is built often during periods of fear rather than euphoria. And this right now is hammering down on what is happening right now. This is a time of fear, not euphoria when XRP is climbing and reaching, going to $5. It's when XRP isn't in a great stance. It isn't in a great period like Bitcoin, when crypto isn't in a great period overall. This is when wealth is really, this is when wealth is built, guys. When you're buying here and XRP's at $10 and you had a crazy gain instead of people that are buying in at $7. So think about that. So analyst Zach Rector recently outlined a $7 target, comparing XRP's current structure to silver's historic breakout cycle that preceded a major rally. He views the $7 level as a psychological midpoint in a 5 to 10 bull range. Should XRP confirm a sustained reversal? Okay, so this next best opportunity. So reflects a recurring theme in crypto market: hindsight regret. Many investors look back at past price levels and wish they had acted sooner. This is always true, guys. We know this is always true. You wish you probably bought, if you've known about crypto and you saw Bitcoin at $1,000, you wish anything you would have bought it at that time. And so, guys, it's hard to look at it because you're like, XRP sucks right now, crypto sucks right now. I don't know if it's going to go any higher. But then, if like a year down the line when XRP is at $5, you're like, man, I wish I would have bought now. I wish I would have bought 6 months ago when XRP was at $1.50. So it's that type of stuff, guys, that you have to be in the moment. You have to realize what is possible and what will happen for crypto, and kind of just take it with your hands. So this $1 range is a long-term accumulation zone. Others remain cautious, noting that a dip to 50 cents remains possible. Honestly, right now, I don't see 50 cents really possible. I don't really see it in the picture because we don't really have any negative catalyst that'll bring us down further than we've already came. I don't think, like, obviously the Federal Reserve Chair and the uncertainty around that was a main problem that brought us down and brought the uncertainty. But we don't have anything like that right now that will bring us down again a ton. So I don't see 50 cents possible, excuse me. And I don't know if we'll go much lower than I thought we kind of would have. Okay, so meanwhile, XRP's rebound from $1.11 has slightly shifted sentiment from panic to cautious optimism, which I think we're kind of at right now. We were very panicked. That's when XRP was dropping like crazy, but we've kind of rebounded a little bit. We're a little bit more optimistic. The sentiment, everything is kind of cooled off a little bit. That's what happens in every market, in the crypto market, especially, is things cool off eventually. Takes heat. Everyone panics. Uncertainty. Liquidity comes out, which liquidity still continues to stay out. The majority of the liquidity, which we wish we had in, but we don't. And no positive catalyst to put the liquidity back in. But yeah, so we're kind of at this point where we're kind of waiting. The liquidity's on the sideline, and we need a positive catalyst to put that liquidity back in the game. So whether this proves to be the next best opportunity will depend on XRP's price recovery in the weeks ahead. So honestly, guys, in the big picture, I do think this is the next best opportunity. I think that right now buying XRP at any of these ranges that we've been at is the next best opportunity, because we will see XRP at $5 to $10 a year down the road, 2 years down the road. So it will happen, guys. And I believe that this is your next best opportunity to not miss out on crypto like you wish you wouldn't, like you wish you would have not missed out previous years. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys right now. I'm continuing to hammer down that right now is a time of fear, and you have to do what is financially responsible and right for you. But right now is a time to build wealth, guys. I'm hammering that down because I think it's important. I don't want you guys to miss out on what XRP will become and what crypto will become in the future, guys. So yeah, I'm hammering it down. It may seem redundant, but I'm trying to hammer down your guys' head. All right, so thank you guys for your time. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Your guys' support really does mean a lot. And have a great day, guys. Thank you. See ya.